But we have to understand that these products will affect different people differently. They do the same work on everybody, but everybody has different conditions. And stem cells go to repair what the body needs repaired quickly, or what is the most urgent. We may think it's our headaches, but it may be a heart problem or a digestive problem or a liver problem. And the stem cells are going to go there first and then go to the other things. So I tell everybody, stay on this. This is stuff that you probably should seriously think about staying on the rest of your life, because you could stay younger longer with this. This is the best preventative program on the planet as far as I'm concerned. And I've looked, I haven't found anything anywhere close. There's no company out there that I can find that does what our company does and has the products and the efficiency of products that ours does.